Hello everyone and welcome back. I just came up here to the tent today doing just checking on everything, seeing if there was any bear stuff. I'm just coming in, going to be here about a half hour, turning around and leaving. But there's a lot of, we have forest fires in several places in Minnesota. We have forest fires in Canada, and it's just really smoky here today. You can hardly make out the individual trees when you get across over there because of the smoke. It smells so strong of smoke today too. It's almost hard to breathe. Everything seems fine in the tent. I looked at the trail camera on the front door of the tent. Actually, the one that I put one on the barbecue that shows just pretty much the front porch. And there was no animal activity. I'm just stopping over here to make sure there's nothing going on also. Everything looks good over here too. I think I'll get out of here while I can still breathe. Just keep coughing stuff up. It's horrible. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. Seems like a long drive to just be checking stuff out, but it's better to be safe than sorry. See you guys on the next video.